Meet Billy Antlers, an ordinary, skinny kid who enjoys jelly donuts a little too much. One rainy Saturday, Billy discovered his mother's secret aerobics tape. And it changed his destiny. Forever. Billy got stronger. Billy got faster. Billy got more flexible. Billy got smarter. Billy ran away from a dinosaur. Billy got a haircut. Billy learned a few new tricks. And then a few more. Billy even made a friend, Bobby Blade. Billy and Bobby trained together and soon became best friends. Turns out they were more powerful together than they ever were apart. Billy had become William Antlers, and he was all grown up. The brand new Antlers engine and improved blade support isn't the only new thing in Statamic 3.3. It also includes dynamic conditional front-end forms, headless live preview, support for Laravel 9, and a bunch of other stuff we ran out of money to pay this nice voiceover guy to say. Yeah, that's me. So upgrade today and tell William we said hi.